Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. Now I'm continuing the problems on set theory. In the last video I have completed the first exercise consisting of 10 problems. Basic problems we have done in the first exercise. Now in the second exercise I am going to explain you the set operations. The set operation consists of calculating, finding out the union of two sets, finding out the intersection of two sets, finding out the complement of sets. All these set operations I am going to apply in this video, in this problem. So the understanding of these problems depend on the theory. So my suggestion to you, first watch the video on the theory. What is set? What are the elements of set? What are the methods of presenting the sets? What are the different types of sets? Unless you are aware about these concepts, you cannot be able to understand. So if you want the complete grasp on the subject, complete command on the subject, watch the first video. Watch the first introduction video. Then you can be able to understand the concept. Then you can easily understand these problems. Otherwise, if you join now, every problem will be a peculiar problem because you don't have the basic knowledge, conceptual clarity you don't have. So go to the playlist of my channel if you have not watched. If you have not watched the first video, go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject Business Statistics 2. In that, select the topic Set Theory. Watch the first and second theoretical videos, then you can easily understand these problems. Now I am going to start exercise 1B, problem 1. So before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which are given in the link under my description. So first problem I am reading out. If A is equal to, A is a set. A is a set. If A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, these are the elements. 3, 5, 7, 9 are the elements of set A. B is another set. The elements are 1, 3, 5. These are the elements of set B. And C is another set. The elements of C set 2, 4, 7, 9. So we are given three sets A, B, C consisting of elements. Now and U is another set. Normally U is the set of universal set. Universal set is that set from which the other subsets are derived. That means the set A, B, C are derived from the universal set. The universal set, we are having the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the elements of universal set U. Now then compute. We are given 10 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each question separately we have to compute by applying set operations. Now see the first question. A union B. The first question is A union B. A union B is a set which consists of all elements of A and B, A or B or both. That means all the elements we take into account of A set or B set or both. Any element in both the sets, that also will take. So that is called union of A and B. So see here, A set 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the elements of A set given in the problem. B set 1, 3, 5. These are the elements of B set. C set 2, 4, 7, 9. These are the elements of C set. And universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From this universal set only 3 subsets are formed. That is the information. Now one by one we have to attempt. First, A union B. I already told you union ka matlab, the meaning of union is all the elements of A set or B set or both. Now we consider A union B. See, in A set 3, 5, 7, 9. In B set 1, 3, 5. So 1 is there in B set. We don't have 1, but we take into account because all the elements we require, whether in A or B or both. So 1, we will take 1. 3 is there in both the sets. We should not take twice. We should take only once. Only once. 3 we have taken. Then 5 is occurring in both the sets, but we take only 1. Then 7 is there in A set. We don't have 7. We should take 7. 9. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all the elements which are there either in A or in B or in both. All the elements we have taken. This is the A union B. So all the elements in either A or B or both. That's it. This is the first operation. Second. Second question is B intersection C. B intersection C. Intersection means the common elements in B and C. The common elements, same elements in B set and C set. That is called intersection. The B intersection C. Now see here, this is the B set and this is a C set. Check, is there any common element in these two sets? 1 is there here in B set, no 1. 3 is there, no 3. 5 is there, no 5. Here 2, there is no 2. 4, no 4. 7, no 7. 9, no 7. That means there is no common element at all between B and C. So B intersection C, null, null set. This blank set is called null set. It is a set, but we don't have any element because there is no common element in this B and C. So B intersection C is null. Common elements of B and C. That's it. 2 bits completed. Now third bit. Number 3, it is asking C minus A. C minus A, it is the difference of 2 sets. C minus A. Now C minus A means all the elements of C set which are not there in A set. All the elements of C set which are not there in A set. Now we compare C and A. C is this set. A is this set. Now see what are the elements in C set which are not there in A set. 2 is there in C set, but 2 is not there in A set. So we take into account 2. We have taken 2 because 2 is there in C set. Similarly 4. 4 is not there in A set. So we take 4 also. The next one is 7. But 7 is there in A set. 9 is there in A set. So if you compare A and C, 7 and 9. 7 and 9 are there in both the sets. We should not take. Whereas in C set we are having 2 and 4. These 2 and 4 are not there in C set. Not there in A set. Not there in A set. So ultimately our answer is 2 and 4. So what do you mean by C minus A? All the elements of C which are not there in A element, in A set. In A set. So those elements of C which are not there in A, 2 and 4. That's it. 3 operations completed. Now fourth question. The fourth point is A complement. Concentrate now. The problems are very, very logical problems. You don't require much physical effort. You require complete concentration. What I am explaining each and every point. Not once, twice, thrice I am explaining so that it will be absorbed in your minds. Now, A to the power of C. This is read as A complement. This is read as complement of set A, C. So how to find out A complement? We need 2 things. We need universal set. We need A set. We need the element of universal set and we need the elements of A set. So universal set, U stands for universal set. A. What are the elements of A set? 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. What are the elements of universal set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are having A element, A set A elements and universal set elements. Now we want complement of A. Now remember, complement of A are those elements of universal set. Those elements of universal set which are not there in A set. Which are not there in A set. Because A set is derived from universal. A set is derived from universal only. So from universal 3, 5, 7, 9 are taken. So ignoring, removing this 3, 5, 7, 9, all other elements of universal set is the complement of A. All the elements of universal set which are not there in A set is called complement of A. The complement of set A written as AC is the set of all elements of universal set that are not in set A. That are not in set A. So in other words, AC, A complement is equal to universal minus A. Universal minus A. From this universal element, don't take, subtract the elements of A. Don't take 3, 5, 7, 9. Ignoring this 3, 5, 7, 9. Remaining items we take. The remaining items are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. The complement of A. That's it. Next, fifth point. The fifth point is A union B complement. A union B complement. So A union B complement is equal to universal minus A union B, because I need complement. Complement means from universal I deduct A union B. From universal I deduct A union B. So I need A union B. Universal already we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Universal we know. And A union B. A union B also we know. First point we have done. A union B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And now I need A union B complement. Complement can be written as C or complement can be written as dash. Anything you can write. Both means same. So A union B complement means all those elements of universal set which are not there in AUB. Which are not there in AUB. That means ignoring these elements, remaining elements of universal will take. 1 is there in both, don't take. 2. 2 is not there in AUB. A union B, 2 is not there, we'll take 2. 3 is there, 4 is not there, so 4 we take. 5 is there, 6 is not there, we'll take 6. 7 is there, 8 is not there, we take 8. 9 is there. So whatever elements are there in universal which are not there in AUB, A union B, that will take us 2, 4, 6, 8 is the AUB complement. Now, sixth point. The sixth point is A complement union B complement. Carefully use. A complement union B complement. So we require A complement, we require B complement. A complement already we have calculated 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. A complement. Already we have done here. Now B complement we will wait. B complement means all those items of a universal set which are not there in B. Which are not there in B. So here B is this one and this is the universals. So ignoring 1, 3, 5. Ignoring 1, 3, 5. Remaining all elements will take. 1, 3, 5 if we ignore 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. Which is the B complement. Here B complement we are saying 1, 3, 5, sorry. 1, 3, 5 we should not take. 1, 3, 5. Ignoring 1, 3, 5. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is B complement. So we have A complement and we have B complement. Now we require A complement union B complement. Union means all the elements in A complement or all the elements in B complement or both. That is called union. So we'll take all the elements. 1 will take 2. 3 is not there. We will not take 3. 1, 2, 4. 5 is not there. 6 will take. 7 here will take. 8 will take. 9 will take. So 1. Anyone, कहीं पर भी एक जगह अगर रह गया तो काफी है. A में भी रहा तो लेंगे, B में भी रहा तो लेंगे, दोनों में भी रहा तो लेंगे. So 1 is there, so we'll take 1. 2 is there in both, we have taken. 3 is not there, we have not taken 3. 4 is given in both, we have taken. 5 is not there, we have not taken. 6 is given in both, we have taken. 7 is there in B, so we will take 7. Even if it is there in one of the set, we will take. Then 8 is there in both the sets, we have taken. 9 is there in B set, we will take. So these are the final values of A complement union B complement. Seventh point. Seventh point is A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. So A union B already we have here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. A union B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. C already we have 2, 4, 7, 9. Now we need A union B intersection C. What do you mean by intersection? Common elements. Intersection means common elements in both. That will be taken. Now you compare both these sets. What are the common elements in these two? 1 is here but 1 is not there. 3 is here, 3 is not there. 5 is here, 5 is not there. 7 both. 9 both. So 7 and 9 are common elements in both the sets. So here 7 and 9. A union B intersection C. Seventh point completed. Now see the 8th point. A intersection C, intersection B intersection C. A intersection C, intersection B intersection C. So first we need A intersection C. What is A intersection C? Now see here, A and C. Intersection means common elements. So what is common in A and C? 7 and 9 are common. A and C, if you compare, 7 and 9 are common. So we'll take 7, 9. Here you have taken. Then B intersection C. That means the common elements of B and C. B and C. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 7, 9. There is no common element at all. If you compare B and C, there is no common element in B and C. That means null set. There is no element. When no element is there, we call it as null set. So null set. B intersection C is null set. Now ultimately A intersection C intersection B intersection C. B intersection C. So 7, 9 intersection null. So when we take the common is null. So we have taken the answer, 8th problem answer, null set. Now, 9th problem, 9th point. 9th point you see, A minus B union C. A minus B union C. A minus B union C. So first we need A minus B. A minus B means all those elements of A which are not there in B. All those elements of A which are not there in B. So compare A and B. Which are the elements which are there in A but not in B? 3 is there, but here 3 is there. 5 is there. So 7 and 9. These 7 and 9 are two elements which are there in A but we don't find in B. So all the elements of A which are not there in B. So 7 and 9. So A minus B is 7 and 9. A minus B is 7, 9. Union C. Union C. C elements are 2, 4, 7, 9. C elements are 2, 4, 7. Now we need A minus B union C. Union means all the elements of A minus B and C. All the elements of A minus B and C. So A minus B is 7, 9 and C 2, 4, 7, 9. So 2, 4, 7, 9. 2, 4 are here in C and 7, 9 is there in both. So we have taken all the elements of A minus B and also C. This is the 9th point. Last and final point, 10th one. C minus A intersection B. C minus A intersection B. C already given in the problem 2, 4, 7, 9 and A intersection B. A intersection B somewhere we have already calculated. A intersection B. Okay, if it is not calculated, now we calculate A intersection B. That means the common elements of A and B. A intersection B means the common elements of A and B. What are the common elements? 3, 5. 3, 5 are common. So A intersection B is 3, 5. Here you can see 3, 5. Now we need C minus A intersection B. C minus A intersection B. That means all the elements of C which are not there in A intersection B. All the elements of C which are not there in A intersection B. So all these elements, 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 7 is not there, 9 is not there. So 2, 4, 7, 9. This is C minus A intersection B. That's it. So 10 points we have completed regarding set operations in the very first problem. Now, second problem. Given 3 sets, A is equal to A, B, C, D, E. 3 sets are given. Here you see. A is the set. The elements are A, B, C, D, E given in the problem. Then B is another set. The elements are A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. C is another set. The elements are B, E, F, G. B, E, F, G. 3 sets are given A, B, C. Find. Now 2 questions are asked. 2 questions are asked. Find. First question. A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. Now see. First one. A union B intersection C. This we have to find. So first of all, A union B. What do you mean by A union B? All the elements of A or B or both. All the elements of A or B or both combined together constitutes A union B. So what are the elements of A and B? See here. A common, will take B. B is there in A, will take B. C common. D is not there, but here D is there. D will take. E common. G is there, will take. So wherever it is, whether it is in A set will take, whether it is in B set will take, whether it is in both, we will take. That's all. So A union B is equal to A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Then union C. What is a C? First of all, I am calculating A, U, B. A union B. A is A, B, C, D, E. This is A, B, C, D, E. A. Union B. B is A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. Now combining these two, we'll get A union B. So A, B, C, D, E. A, C, E, G. So G will take. So A, B, C, D, E, G. These are all the elements of the union A union B. A union B. Now A union B intersection C. A union B, already we have calculated A, B, C, D, E, G. A, B, C, D, E, G. This is A union B. Now intersection C. What is C here? B, E, F, G. So intersection B, E, F, G. What do you mean by intersection? Common elements. Now compare these two sets and find out the common elements in these two sets. So you will find B. B is common. B is here and B is here. E is common. E is here. E is here. G is common. So B, E, G are common. Right? Next. Second point. A intersection C union B intersection C. A intersection C union B intersection C. What can you infer from the result? After calculating these two, compare it and give some inference. Give the conclusion. So A intersection C union B intersection C. We have to find out. So first of all, A intersection C. What is A? A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Intersection C. What is C here? B, E, F, G. B, E, F, G. Now intersection means common elements. What are the common elements in these two sets? B is common, E is common. Only two elements are common. B is common and E is common. So B and E. A intersection C is B and E. This one over. Now B intersection C. B intersection C. So we'll write on B. A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. This is B. Intersection C. What is C here? B, E, F, G. B, E, F, G. Now B intersection C means the common elements in these two sets. What are the common elements here? E is common and G is common. So B intersection G. We got A intersection C and B intersection C. Both we have. Now we'll calculate A intersection C union B intersection C. So A intersection C is how much? B and E. I have taken B and E. Union B intersection C, E and G. Now we need union. Union means combined. That means all the elements in this set or both. All the elements will take into account. So B we will take, E we will take and G we will take. So ultimate B, E, G. Ultimate answer of this combined set is B, E, G. That's it. Now you have to give the inference. You have to give the conclusion. Now see here. First we have calculated A union B intersection C. How much we got? BEG. BEG is the answer for A union B intersection C. Now we have calculated A intersection C union B intersection C. Again we got BEG. So in both the answer is same. For both questions, answer is same. BEG, here also BEG. In other words, we can say A union B intersection C is equal to A intersection C union B intersection C. These two are same. When answers are same, BEG, BEG, that means questions are also same. From the above, we infer that A union B intersection C, A union B intersection C is equal to A intersection C union B intersection C. This is the inference. When answers are same, the questions are also same. That's it. So this is the end of second problem on set operations. So in these two problems I've explained you how to calculate the union of two sets, how to calculate the intersection of two sets, and how to find out the complement of a set. So if you're satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video. Share my channel in your group, in your friend circle, so that more students can watch the video and enhance the knowledge. And give your comments on these videos. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. The next problem, we'll do it in the next video.